Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to add multiple signature lines in Microsoft Word quickly and cleanly. First, open your Word document. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top and click on Shapes. From the drop-down menu, select the Text Box tool. Draw a text box in the document where you want your first signature to appear. Inside the box, type the signer's name, and on the next line, type their title or employee ID. Now place your cursor above the name. Hold down the Shift key and press the underscore key 3 times, then hit Enter. Word will automatically format this into a solid signature line. You can adjust its size or use the backspace key to shorten it if needed. Next, we need to remove the visible border around the box so it blends perfectly into your page. Select the text box. Go to the Shape Format tab, click on Shape Outline, and choose No Outline. To add more signature lines, simply select your completed text box and press Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Drag the copied box next to the first one. You can press Ctrl+D again to create as many signature blocks as you need. Finally, just update the names and titles in the duplicated boxes. And that is it, a simple, professional way to structure multiple signatures. Subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point technical tutorials.